Hello, 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 Fortuna Flow. Darwin Fortuna, your help friend, companion, here to entertain you and teach you the things I'm looking at. So let's jump into the market real quick. So I have not done any updates for a while. You wonder why? Well, I just have vacation with my children. I've been catching up with a lot of work for the last 2 weeks or week and a half. We also had a big company event at my company, Flow Design Architects, which I'm one of the principals and founders of. Um, and it's been a lot, right? So I haven't been really paying attention to the market, which is great because a lot of things that I thought were going to happen are happening. Some things I didn't expect happened. And we're going to talk about it right now. Let's take a look. So starting with Ethereum, I sold a whole lot of my holdings all the way back when it was about $2,000. I remember telling you that, guys, right? It was all the way back here. I saw it being actually a lot higher than that. I thought it was overdone, that it was not going to continue. It wasn't sustainable. So I sold it all the way there. I did make a mistake though. I started buying it at 1700, 1800, and I don't think it's a mistake. I could have just waited a little bit. So I was like buying little by little again, buying little by little again. So now my average is way all the way down to like 1700. So I am at a loss right now. But if you consider it, it's not so big of a loss as it would have been if I stayed the 2000. I didn't sell, right? So that happened. And what crashed the market? Well, there's only one person right now that we can blame all the crashing of the market to, and his name is JP, Jerome Powell. Jerome Powell spoke on Friday from his written notes. And one thing I heard is that when he reads from his notes, like when he doesn't necessarily just speak from his heart, he is very hawkish, meaning he's very like negative and sacrifices will be made and jobs will be lost and things like that, like very negative. But when he speaks from his heart, it's a lot more dovish, meaning more positive, more accommodating, more friendly about it. So people got really scared and panic sold. That's it. That's it. People panic sold, and Ethereum went all the way down to about 1400. Didn't break 1400, which is a very strong support I've been holding for quite some time, and you can find it all the way back here. We pursed it a little bit, but I have had it for a long time. So that's it. We stay at 1400. So where are we right now? From that substantial drop, we've moved up to we've moved up about 9%, which is not bad. It's not bad at all. Okay. So many of you will wonder what are you gonna do, Darwin? So I'll tell you right now. Listen, I don't have a money machine, right? So in my opinion, I will be buying right now if I have more money, but I'm broke. Like, come on, you know what I mean? Like, I have things to pay, I have things to take care of. I don't have any money right now for this. So, but I would buy if I had some money that would make a difference, a meaningful difference, right? I personally would. Not financial advice, not for you. I positioned myself when I sold at the 2000 and I saw Solana at about like, what was it, 42 or something like that. I was fine with that. Ethereum Classic, 40 something. I was fine with it. I bought it. Did I buy it where I wanted to buy it? No. But did I buy it cheaper than what I sold it for? Yes. So that's it. That's the question I want to ask myself. And that's the question you should ask yourself. Did I sell higher than what I bought? Yes. Did I buy lower than what I sold? Yes. Forget about it. You're not like a magician. You cannot predict the future, and you cannot know what's gonna happen. If we did, we will all. It would be easy to do this, right? So, I feel good with what I did. Am I gonna sell more? No. You sell green, you buy red. That's it. You know. So what am I expecting right now with Ethereum? So I'm going to focus on this one, just on Ethereum, real quick. So with Ethereum, I'm expecting some momentum to be built up because the merge is going to happen in what, 2 weeks? Yeah, like September 15th. So we want to see what happens with the merge, right? Do I have like all my back on Ethereum? No. Let me ask that again. Do I have all my back on Ethereum? Absolutely not. Because you got to diversify. You never know what's going to happen. So I have some money here, some money there, some money here, some money there. You know what I mean? And I wait out for a good moment to see what happens. So I have a little bit in there, but I will, whenever any dough comes right in, whenever any money comes in, I will buy at least, half Ethereum, one Ethereum, you know, some money, right? We're building a beautiful structure right here. It looks like we're basically done like a double bottom, right? Like 1400 was very strong support, or even a higher low. That's really more like what we've done. We've done a higher low. Like if you say, well, we came from here, we came from here. Well, that's a higher low because we pierced 1300, 1350, right? We were like at 1,000, even less than that, actually, all the way back in June. So this is nothing but a higher low. So a rally may come back up. A rally may be coming. All right. So and what would I do? I'd probably sell again at about 2,000, a little bit, but not all of it, not all of it. So it's getting a lot of momentum right now. And let's just bring the candles in. The RSI, the stochastic RSI went on the oversold territory and immediately bounced right back up. So as you guys know, no financial advice, but you buy here and you sell here, right? So right now it's a good buy signal. No financial advice. This will be a sell signal. I am on the 45-minute chart. 45-minute chart. Okay, so that's the one I use. That's the one I like best. I like to have a lot of granularity, a lot of detail. Now if you go to like 15 minutes, it starts getting a little boring, so I don't like that. 45 minutes, I feel good with 45 minutes. 1 hour and 45 minutes, I'm pretty much gonna be telling you a similar story. So that's what I would do, guys. Ethereum is always going to be one of my favorite ones, and out of all altcoins is the number one. So Bitcoin, then Ethereum, right? So that's what I would do. Okay, so not much more to say about this. Just expect the merge coming up and wait for my other updates on other coins. Thank you. Bye bye.